Hello foodies! Ooh, this recipe for my crispy baked chicken wings with sauce and dry rub is so good. These are delicious oven baked wings and they're literally love at first bite. They're sweet, they're a little bit spicy, and they come with this sauce I'm going to teach you how to make using honey and buffalo hot sauce. Hey, it's Jenna here from sipbitego, and today let's go in the kitchen so I can show you how to make these in just a few steps. Don't forget to subscribe to the sipbitego channel on YouTube and visit sipbitego to print out your favorite recipes. I have so many delicious new dishes heading your way. Subscribe today. So to make these wings really crispy, you want to pat the chicken wings dry with paper towels, and then you can line a baking sheet with foil or parchment paper and add an oven-safe wire rack on top. Spray the rack with cooking spray and set it aside. Next, you're going to make the chicken wing spice rub. So in a bowl, mix together the spice rub, which is some salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and cayenne pepper. Now, you don't have to use cayenne pepper if you don't want it to be too spicy, but just a little bit you'd add right here. And then whisk that all together, and then you can add in baking powder and stir to combine. The baking powder is the secret to crispy baked chicken wings that taste like they're fried but are a bit healthier. Next, you want to season wings with dry rub. So evenly coat the wings with the dry rub mixture and the baking powder. And you'll see in my demonstration video for these crispy baked chicken wings that I did it in batches. So some of the wings and then half of the sauce and then the rest of the wings and the rest of the, seasoning. So mixed it all together just using tongs, but wanted to really make sure the seasoning was coating the wings. And then it's time to bake them. Since the wire baking rack was already coated with some cooking spray, the wings can go directly on them. For the first round, you're going to add the wings skin side up. Now, actually, the chicken wings are going to cook in the oven about 3 times in 20-minute increments. So these batches are done at 425 degrees. The high heat yields really crispy wings. And so in between batches, you need to remove the wings from the oven, spray them with cooking spray, then flip them with tongs and put them back in the oven to continue cooking. Now, like I said, you're going to do this about 2 to 3 times. At the 50-minute mark, you can start checking the temperature of the wings, and what you do is you choose the thickest wing to get the most accurate reading. Now, there are wings here, and there are flat pieces, as they're called, and the flat ones usually have 2 bones, and they're thinner meat. So you really want to take the thickest wing and make sure you're getting the most accurate reading, and you want the internal temperature of wings to reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want the outside to be golden brown. Now, if they aren't done cooking to that internal temperature that's safe for wings, then add them back in the oven for a few minutes, like 5 to 7 at a time, and keep checking them. If you've been following my recipes on sipbitego, you know that I absolutely love using fresh herbs. I find it's one of the best ways to make restaurant-style meals at home, so I just like to prep some fresh cilantro. You could also use parsley or any other herbs that you like for the wings. So to make the homemade sweet and hot wing sauce in a large bowl, you whisk together the buffalo hot sauce, honey, water, and fresh chopped cilantro. All right, look at these beautiful golden brown wings. The wings are so ready. Just a final little check here of the temperature to see will let us know that they are ready to be coated in that delicious sauce. Oh, you know what? They are so close to 165, but the thickest ones have not yet reached 165 degrees. They're getting so close, but just to finish it off, these needed an extra 5, 6, 7 minutes in the oven to bake. But as you can see, the outside is that beautiful, crispy brown chicken wing color that we're looking for. So just popping them back in the oven one last time, and then they'll be good to go. All right, these beautiful chicken wings baked in the oven, and they have finally hit 165 degrees. So they are ready to come out to cool a little bit and then go directly into that delicious hot sauce that we've kind of worked into a sweet hot sauce and it all just gets mixed together with tongs. So just make sure to coat all of the wings, and they're nice and crispy, and the sauce is good because it's like a sticky sauce, but it doesn't make them soggy or anything. They still stay perfectly crisp. Now, if there's any sauce left over in the bowl, make sure to just put it directly on the wings because it makes them so delicious, and you might as well use it up. Ooh, doesn't that look so good? I'm going to share with you really quickly a jalapeno ranch sauce that you could make on the side of this recipe. It has cilantro in it, and it has a sour cream base, and it's so delicious. So let me show you that. You can take a look to see if you want to make it with this recipe. I have so many new easy recipes coming your way that you're just gonna love. Make sure to subscribe to the sipbitego channel on YouTube to be the first to know when new recipe videos come out. Subscribe today. Well, I'm sure you have all the kitchen confidence you need to go ahead and make these delicious baked wings in the oven and serve them and enjoy them. It's a really delicious appetizer if you're feeding a crowd. They're so easy to make. You just need a bunch of sheet trays to assemble them all. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day, and don't forget to check out another video here at Sip Bite Go. Cheers!